my crafty friends, welcome to Happy Banky Crafty Mom. My name is Banky and today I'm gonna show you how I make these cute little short pants. The pattern is available in 2 sizes. I will put the link below in the description box. First, I use the paper pattern that I print out and I fold along the dash line. I'm gonna use this as a guide for pressing the pocket. Next, I'm gonna top stitch only on the slanted part. Next, I'm going to pin the pocket to the front part and then I'm gonna top stitch on the side and on the bottom edges. And next, on the front part, put the right side together and stitch on the center front seam. For this project, I also used the zigzag stitch for the finishing seam. And next, I'm going to pin the back part to the front and stitch on the side seam together. Next, I'm going to give these little short pants a little press and I make sure that the side seams are facing the back part of the pants. Next, I am going to work on the waistband to make the casing for elastic. I'm using a paper pattern as a guide for the top of the waistband. Here I'm gonna fold down for 1/2 inch and after that I'm going to the sewing machine and do the top stitch. cut about 6 inches of elastic, and I'm gonna insert the elastic through the casing, and then I'm gonna pin both ends in place. I'm going to put this aside and working on the ruffle, but if you don't want one, you can just fold on the bottom of the pants about 1/4 of an inch and top stitch. Next, I'm going to work on hemming on the bottom of the ruffle, and then I'm going to fold down the 1/4 of an inch and then fold again, and I'm going to top stitch along the fold line. Next, I'm going to sew 2 rows of the gathering stitch. I'm gonna do about 1/4 of an inch away from the raw edge here, and go straight line, and when I reach the corner, I'm gonna just turn and do 1 more stitch and turn again, and then go back straight to the beginning. Next, I'm going to pin the ruffle to the pants and also pull the gathering, make sure it's matching on the bottom of the pants. And then I'm going to stitch along both sides. The pants is almost done here. Next, I'm gonna stitch the center back seam together. And the last part here, gonna open the pants up and matching the inner leg seam and stitch. Pants is done here. The last thing that I like to do is I just like to sew the seam in place. I just fold the seam on one side and give them a couple of stitches. And cute little short pants is done. Actually, I already have another video that I made a couple years ago to make exactly the same short pant, but that one is for 18-inch doll. Well, I've been trying to make the pattern for the 14-inch doll for a while, but yeah, I just got time to do it. So I thought, well, why not make another video? It's kind of fun. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to do more of what make you happy. Bye. Take care.